Welcome to this ClickShare information video. I would like to show you how to use the ClickShare Management Suite, our web-based tool that allows you to centrally manage multiple ClickShare base units anywhere in your corporate network. Accessing and using the ClickShare Management Suite is easy. Let me show you how. Open the browser and enter the IP address of the server running the Management Suite software. Log in with the details that have been given to you, or if you are setting up the software for the first time, use the default username admin@yourcompany.com and the default password admin. Click to accept the end user licensing agreement and then click the login button. Before we start, let's see our company name and build the locations tree, our list of offices, regions and countries where our base units can be found. Base units assigned to different locations can be managed separately and users can be given privileges limited to certain locations. You can change it later, but building the locations tree is important. Let's start though by changing the company name. Click on Locations and then right-click on Company Name. Replace the name with the name of your company. Right-click again to add a new location like this. Now let's add our base units. Click on Base Units, then Add, enter the IP address of one of your base units, select where it is located and then click OK. Let's add another one of our base units now in a different location. When we have added our base units, we should be able to see details about them and we are ready to go. If you would prefer to use device names rather than IP addresses, this can be specified in the system settings. Now let's start managing our base units. The ClickShare Management Suite allows us to do many things. We can check the status of the buttons, switch debug logging on and off, download log files, diagnose connection issues, clone configurations of specific base units, set up network integration, switch Wi-Fi access to base unit on or off, or deploy certificates anywhere in our corporate network. Let's look at 3 of these options in more detail. Sometimes we might need to reboot one of our ClickShare base units remotely. To do this, select the base unit you would like to reboot. Click on Support and Updates. Then select Reboot. You can either reboot the unit now or schedule it for a specific time. Let's reboot our unit now. You can change the ClickShare wallpaper on multiple base units at the same time. This is a great way to broadcast messages to all or several of your meeting rooms. Here's how. Select the base units you would like to change, then click on Configure, select Wallpaper, choose the image, and then Apply. Let's update the firmware on one of our base units. I'm going to select this unit. Download the latest version of the software. When it is downloaded, click Next. Now, instead of running this now, let's schedule it to run later by filling in these details. Scheduling activities is very useful, allowing you to make changes when people are not using specific base units. You can see all the admin tasks that have been scheduled simply by clicking on the scheduler. Let's change the start time for the system update we scheduled earlier. To do this, we simply select it and click Edit. Change the time and click OK. To cancel the task, select it and click on Delete. More detailed information can be found in the ClickShare Management Suite user guide, which is available as a download at barco.com. And that is how you can use the ClickShare Management Suite to configure and manage multiple base units.